Good day, Mom and Sir. My name is Elarbeth Woolbright. I am a 25 years old. I live from Bohol, Philippines. I am a single mother. I have two children, ages 12 and 8. I have six siblings, two sisters and four brothers. My mother is a housewife. My father is a fisherman. My highest education attainment is a high school graduate. My hobbies are cooking, dancing, and singing. I have a work experience as a housemaid here at Philippines for 2 years. I serve two couple older. My job there is cooking, washing dishes, ironing, grocery shopping, cleaning the house, doing laundry, and many more. Mom and Sir, please accept me as your helper because I'm a loyal, trustworthy, and hardworking woman. Mom and Sir, I promise to do all my duties and responsibilities. Thank you and God bless.